Hey everybody, welcome to the Crypto Sane channel. For today's video, we're going to cover the market downturn in cryptocurrencies for the past 2 days. And this article here says cryptocurrencies will replace some or all of the paper money, investor James Altucher says. Now, who is James Altucher? He is one of the leading cryptocurrency experts out there who's been using and actually promoting Bitcoin for quite some time now, and now he's out with CNBC today. He's being interviewed about what cryptocurrencies are all about, and you can watch the video. I'll leave a link to this article down below. You can watch this video. But to say that cryptocurrencies will replace some or all of the paper money is a bold statement, but he believes the reason why cryptocurrencies has value is because there's utility in using these digital coins rather than using paper money or maybe even credit cards for that matter down the line. So he said the valid cryptocurrencies will benefit from regulation. Yeah, another thing he did say was that the fear in the markets right now is because South Korea, China is looking to bring heavier restrictions and regulations onto exchanges and coins in general, crypto coins in general. So that's why the coins are down. But it has rallied back up already based on what we see here. We saw Bitcoin around low 9,000s. Now it's 11,000. Ethereum was like high 700s. Now it's close to $1,000. So a lot of the coins have rallied back to some respectable levels, like 11,000 is not so bad. It only went down for about a day or so. So this is a great video to watch if you're concerned about maybe you got in recently and you're down and you lost some money at the moment. But just watch this video and it'll explain that Bitcoin is a long-term investment that will probably do well down the line. Because there are projections of Bitcoin going up to $25,000 to $30,000 this year, and right now it's $10,000, right? And then let's just read some of this. Bitcoin is on track to become a valid real investment vehicle to hold in a portfolio, not a game for day traders, according to advocate James Altucher. Bitcoin is not a penny stock. It's not something you buy one day and sell the next day for little gains, right? So you have to hold long term. If you have to be a long-term believer that cryptocurrencies solve huge problems that paper currencies have currently, right? So cryptocurrencies will replace some or all paper currencies in the long run. Institutions aren't yet in Bitcoin, but they will be. We are in inning 0 of this asset class. Now, I tend to agree that institutions will start to participate in cryptocurrencies. I think they want piece of the action and they want to make a lot of money with this. So down the line in 2018, we'll probably see some type of Bitcoin mutual fund of some sorts, right? Like mutual funds actually investing in these cryptocurrencies or something to that extent. So you can watch this video down on the bottom part of the article, which is called "Digital Currency Has Real Value." Here's why. This is a really good video to watch that gives you reason to say that Bitcoin does have value, whereas you see like Alan Greenspan and Warren Buffett and all these people saying Bitcoin has no value, it has no intrinsic value. But this video will explain that, well, what is intrinsic value, and what about paper dollars or even gold? Does that have intrinsic value? You just have to figure out what that really means down the line. Okay, so check out the link below for this article. If you have any questions or comments about what's happening right now and whether you think James Altucher is right about cryptocurrencies replacing some or all the paper money, let me know in the comment section below, and I'll get back to you guys. All right. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button. If you like the video, hit the thumbs up button, and I'll speak to you guys later.